In this video, I'll show you how to make a Snapchat public profile so you can start making money on Spotlight. Tutorial Tuesday edition! What's poppin', y'all? I'm Logan Ski, a 19-year-old entrepreneur and social media star who wants to welcome you to the first episode of Tutorial Tuesdays. This series will consist of me explaining how to do things y'all don't know how to do so you can make more money, gain more followers, or just become smarter overall. And if there's a topic you want me to make a tutorial on, comment below. Now let's get into episode 1, how to create a public profile on Snapchat. I'm sure most of y'all want to do this because you think you need a public profile to get paid from Spotlight, which isn't the case. A public profile allows people to subscribe to you from your Spotlight videos and your story pages. It has nothing to do with getting paid, although it could help. And for the people that didn't know, Snapchat pays out hella money. You can watch my videos on it. I've made tens of thousands of dollars from Snapchat and show y'all how to do so as well in these vids. And now let's make you a public profile. Before Snapchat allows you to create a public profile, they need verification proof and your permission in settings. So right now, I'll tell you all the requirements and you'll do them if you want a PP. I meant public profile by that, but that's not a good abbreviation. Anyway, here's the requirements. First, your account needs to exist for over 24 hours. Second, the account must have sent a snap to someone and received a snap from someone. So if it's a new account, just add your main account and snap yourself back and forth. Third, you must verify your email. That means you have to put your email in, then go to settings and ask Snap to send you a code to verify it. Fourth, you need to verify your phone number. You can use the same phone number for different accounts, but you can't use the same email. Snap will send you a 6-number text, and once you type it in, you'll be verified. Fifth, you have to have quick add-on. Sixth, you must set your age to be at least 16, but I do 18 to be safe. Seventh, you need to have settings that allow everyone to see everything except for your location. Just mimic what this screenshot says, so everything is on everyone but location. Eighth, post a random video on Spotlight. It could be a black screen, a video of your dog, or anything. Once you do all these things, you should be allowed to create a public profile within 48 hours. And here's how you do that. Click on the 3 little dots next to add to Spotlight, then press create a public profile, then press continue, get started, and then create. And now you'll have your very own public profile that people can subscribe to. And speaking of subscribing, you should definitely do that because this channel shows y'all tons of ways to get rich. And one of those ways is Snapchat Spotlight. I've made tens of thousands of dollars from it. My friends have made millions, and you could be next. So watch my tutorial right here or an interview I did with a 15-year-old who made $250K from Snapchat. Comment more tutorials y'all want to see, and remember to work hard, stay consistent, hit the like button, and peace.